Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It's me as Junike, and again today we are here to learn some advanced vocabulary with their meanings and with the examples of them, and also the most helpful thing. I have also put a picture. For example, after seeing the picture, we can also get the meaning of them. Easy, right? So let's begin. But we are now converting our English into our English gonna be more stronger. When we will use these words, your English will be more beautiful. All right, so let's begin. The first one we can see here is illustrate. Illustrate versus exemplify. All right, illustrate versus exemplify. Both shows some things, but there is a difference. Illustrate explains with examples. Exemplify, be the example. This one is be the example, and this one illustrate, explain with examples. So let's see. All right, here we go. Illustrate. The teacher illustrate the process with a simple diagram. Now we get the simple meaning of the word. The teacher illustrate the process with a simple diagram. So the next one, exemplify. The firefighters' bravery exemplified courage. So the man, this is not a Spider-Man, this is a fireman. I mean, fighter, and that is the teacher, and she is explaining something by drawing the diagram to the students. So let's move to the next word. All right. Are you getting or not? Just let me know in the comment section. Evade. Evade versus elude. All right. Evade versus elude. All right. So both mean escaping. Escaping. All right. For example, the police is searching you, running after you, and you are going to escape. You got me? All right. So evade. Avoid something you don't want to face, often rules, questions, or people. For example, it often happens in our community when we see the teacher, when we see someone elder, for example, someone that you don't usually make the friendly conversation, and you're afraid of them if they will give you some tricky rules, for example, right? So it's about people. For example, some questions. You lost something. Now you are afraid of your mom or your dad. If they will ask you, if they will make the question, what will you answer? Right? So it's about the questions and the rules, for example. It often rules, question, or people. So we will also see, the examples. Then we will get more. Elude, escape someone or something, casing or trying to catch you. So let's see the examples. The man evaded the police by hiding behind a wall. Here we simply see, right? And the next one is elude. The mouse eluded the cat by sleeping through a tiny hole. This is what happened in here, right? Let's move to the next one. Mitigate, a verb. Both mean reducing bad effects, but mitigate makes something less severe. Avert, prevent it from happening at all. Now you got it? If you are still confused, let's see the examples and the pictures, then we can easily understand the word, the meaning of them, right? So let's see. Mitigate. They plant trees to mitigate air pollution. The next one is quick action averted a major accident. Now, the people are standing here, right? From there, they can be here, okay? All right, so let's move to the next one. Now we can see we often use this word in some groups like regulations, rules and regulation, right? So that is the word regulate. Both mean controlling something. Controlling something. For example, you cannot do that. It is prohibited to smoke in this room. For example, both mean controlling something. But regulate, set rules or limits, while moderate, keep balance or reduce intensity. If we will see the examples and the pictures, we will understand with more details. Okay? Regulate. What does that? Regulate mean setting, for example, rules and prohibiting someone from something. Okay? The government regulated the sale of fireworks. So now here we can see new rules, safety regulation, and the sales we talk here, it is about this shop. The fireworks, here she is. Now I think you are clear about the word. Moderate, he moderated the classroom discussion so everyone could speak. He moderated the classroom discussion so everyone could speak. Now you are clear about the word. Clever versus cunning. Clever versus cunning. You are very clever, right? We use that one for our younger brothers, for our friends, like he is very clever, she is your, she is very clever, for example. So now here we can see both mean being smart and able to think quickly. And now what the clever means we get. For example, if you are able to take a quick decision, if you think very quickly and you do something very fast, more faster than other, then you are clever. If you do something unique, if your thinking level is unique, then you are clever. We describe the people like that, right? So here the meaning both means being smart, able to think quickly. Clever, use intelligence in a positive and creative way. We're clear about this word, right? And cunning, use intelligence in a sneaky or dishonest way. For example, we are playing a game, but I am cheating, right, with you. This is not cleverness. This is not clever. This is cunning because I am dishonest with you. You are thinking I am playing, I am following the all regulation and the rules of the game, but I am cheating. It means I am cunning, but not clever. Let's see the examples and the pictures we can simply get. So this is clever. Clever, he is clever. The stick mark is for the positivity. Okay, so he is clever and solves problems in a smart way. Now he is solving the problem here. And now, as I said, what is the negative way of the cleverness? Cunning. He was cunning and tricked others to get what he wanted. Now we are really clear about the word cunning. Okay, because he is cheating. His first expression is already saying that he is cheating.